look at this power bar. Look at the fabulous four. Look at the fabulous four. And your stock opens under the fabulous four. Okay? But it produces its first bar, which is powerful. But now we know that if we're under there, that the preferable trade is a short. You can have a long, but the preferable one is a short. So the person who wants to short on the next reversal of color, which means I'm going to short SPCE when red eliminates green. Well, red eliminates green right here, but you're right next to power, making this a low odds short. We have to distance ourselves away from power first to get a good odds short. You understand? And so Sohab, all right, took the short here on the tail, okay? Because there was room to fall back to the power. You see, guys, power shoots its influence to the right. Look at this influence, which means that it's going to be hard to penetrate that. So look at the stock try to penetrate it. Boing, boing, it bounces out of the force field. Look at how the stock comes right back to that power zone and bounce off of it. So if you're going to short, you had better be high enough above that power to have room to drop to the power, because the power is likely to bounce your stock. Tito, did I find you? Does that make sense? A few of you let me know. Okay. So I want you all to understand this. This green bar is shooting its influence this way. All right. This is like thick layer of support. You see? Boing. It's going to be hard for red to penetrate every level of that power. It's not impossible. I'm just talking about odds. The odds of getting through all of those levels is very small. Now, the odds are different if the green is broken up, right? So if the green is like this, going to the upside. See, so now it's a different set of odds if you short here. I'm talking about this versus that, all right? So whenever you're shorting next to power, you're already, most of the time, you're already lost. Not every time, nothing's every time, but most of the time you're already lost. Now, there are times you're going to miss an opportunity. You're going to be like, yeah, Oliver said not to short neck, and this thing is going to do this. This happened to me today. Some of my traders took it, but I told them I'm not taking it just because of this concept. Let me show you the concept. So it's on Apple this morning. So I dive into this bar right here. Boom. I dive into Apple. Before that bar finishes, I'm just in. Boom, I'm in it. Okay? I cover right off the low, and I go long for a quick scalp. But I told him, I said, listen, I'm going long. I'm out on my short. I'm going long here. I'm coming out on a scalp to the upside, but I want to go short again. So I covered the short, got out, and then said, you know what? I'm not doing the short right now. I need us to get up here somewhere in order to do the short. Now, why did I say that? Wow, Apple's on the move right now. But why did I say that? Because I told them this move up is powerful. I'm not shorting next to that power. If we get away from it, all right, but I'm not shorting next to it. And okay, I missed my opportunity. Some traders said, Oliver, I'm giving it a shot. Fine. They won. I didn't take it because of the concept I'm explaining to you. So nothing's 100%, but what I'm saying is that a lot of the time, if you short right next to that, this thing does boing like that. So whenever I have power, if I'm going to short, if I'm looking to short, I need us away from that power. Now, let me add this part. It is the top third of power that is your cushion, the biggest cushion. There's another cushion under it too, but the top third is really very powerful cushion. All right. So if we go back to the SPCE, right? That so have played. Look at this power, and then look at the top third of it. So this is the top of it, right? All right, now go all the way and look at where, like we're really bouncing off the top of it. You understand? So it's the top third all the way to the half, but the top third is the heaviest layer of support. All right.